My name's Kirk Campbell. I'm one of the orthopedic surgery, sports medicine specialists here at the Sports Medicine Center at NYU Langone Health. I treat from the simple rotator cuff tendonitis, which is a classic overuse injury that we see in the office, to shoulder instability, which is a result of dislocating one's shoulder. In terms of the knee, people with ligamentous injuries, classically ACL injury, a variety of things that we do for people with meniscus injuries, as well as cartilage damage. So the advances in sports medicine I'm most excited about are the different orthobiological options that we have. Those include something called platelet-rich plasma, or PRP. That's when we isolate the platelet-rich content of blood, and there are multiple different applications, and the indications for its use are just rapidly expanding. We're doing a lot of research trying to figure out how we can improve the care that we provide to our patients, and we're looking at the role of PRP as well as the different stem cell options that we have available. We restore function, right? So we get people back to being themselves. We get people back to doing their activities. Being in New York City, a lot of times our patients come in, they want to get better yesterday. So we get people back to functioning, to being the everyday athletes that our New York City residents are.